Hey guys, so we've reached about 250, 260 mixers, and so now it's time to give a bit of maintenance on this model with the shaft that's removable. You just pull it out, just take a grit sandpaper. What is that?
Yeah, it should be 220.
220
thinner. This is 120 because it's what I have here in shop. Just could also clean this a little. So now let's grease. I can remove this, it's easy.
And what type of grease? Just explain.
Okay, there's different types, but this type is using for the grinder machines, the ones we cut the fields, so they secure for a long time. It's called massa consistente.
It's a mechanical, basically a mechanical grease.
See.
It's a black one. You see he's putting a generous quantity of grease onto this.
In the tip, and so that she could go in.
Yeah, so when you push it in, it forces, you put a nice blob on the end. So when you force it in, it's going to put all the grease inside this piece too. And then we basically recommend doing this every 200, 250 mixers.
Exatamente.
Just maintenance, keep your machine running smoothly so that you avoid any...
That's it. Look how different it is. Perfect.
Very nice. Smooth. Get it back into place.
Ready.
And done.
Ready to roll.
Thanks, Jose.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.